Thank you for joining me. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how I made this Easter flower pot. It's actually a spin on the Easter basket. So if you go to my other video, you'll see there were like 4 or 5 different baskets. We had like a little friendly competition on Facebook Live. But yeah, real quick, I want to say excuse the tablecloth. I know it's wrinkled and stuff all over it, but there was so much stuff I should have did it behind the scenes. I had like 2 huge totes full of decorative things or whatever that people could use because I want to really start like some kind of business doing this. But yeah, so to make a long story short, let me get right into what I did. So I took a big flower pot and then I used one of the lids to give it more depth. Under here, you're going to see Easter grass. You would see Easter grass. And then you would also see like the little Easter eggs. And I just put the lid on top of that. And then from there, I was going to go ahead and glue down. I used a hot glue gun to put the flowers in place on top of that drainage lid. But what I want to show you guys was I changed my mind. So in that, you'll see where the glue is. I took them off because in case I wanted to change this out, it wasn't supposed to be a centerpiece, but it came out so nice I made it a centerpiece. And in that way, I could just put other flowers or whatever idea I came up with. Also in this, I just want to show you guys like the peat moss that I used, decorative pebbles. I'll turn this around. I want to show you guys where I use some tea lights. Okay, so I stuck there's like 3 or 4 of them in here. Let me turn this around for you. All right, and then I really like it too because it flickers on and off. So different areas of the flower pot, they kind of like go in unison somewhat. But this is what the back looks like. All right, so what else did I do? I actually want to show you guys this real quick because like I said, I decided not to, to take the glue off. And this is what the pot lid looks like being used upside down. And then I also took some of the flowers, some of the decor, and I just stuck it in between the flower pot lid and the container itself. So that's what that looks like right there. Yep. And there you see the Easter grass poking out and everything. So I just covered it with this. And then that's about it. All right. So, hey, if you're enjoying this, I like to keep these really quick because I know people's attention spans nowadays have been shortened. So, yeah, if you're liking this, make sure you go check out the other videos. There's like 4 other different ones that my family made, and you can choose which one you like the best. But yeah, this took about maybe 20-30 minutes because with me, it was so much stuff to choose from, and I had to kind of like get an idea of what I wanted to do. So I had to pick through the stuff and then line it up or whatever, and then, execute. So if you haven't, make sure that you go to Real Life Topics. We have good discussions over there, things that most people feel comfortable about talking about. And then make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, check out my acapella covers, okay? Those are the most popular things on this channel. All right, subscribe and be blessed. Bye for now.